Welcome to Elias Woodwork Access Now online ordering. This quick overview will show you the features and benefits of Access Now. Get your product pricing at a moment's notice. Start by configuring an item. First, choose a product line. Then fill in the item details and choose profiles available from the drop-down menus or image collections. Question marks are located everywhere to provide contextual help. Your prices configured will appear when you are done entering necessary product details and will update live with changes you make to the properties. Access Now provides updated pricing for almost all Elias Woodwork custom products at any time from anywhere. You can easily create and save favorite configuration for future use. Notice that some fields have been pre-filled based on the saved configuration that was selected. For multiple door orders, you can import a CSV file. Start by selecting the data range of the doors you wish to import, and then map the columns with the selected data like door width and height. After you import your selected door, you finish making the selections from the common fields and save. All your doors will instantly be configured and saved for submission and future reference. Access Now allows you to use global defaults to pre-fill drop-downs to your company's preferences when configuring items, saving you even more time building your estimates. Notice that property defaults we defined globally for this product line have been pre-filled. As an admin, you can manage what your company users can see and do in Access Now. All your company users will be displayed along with their current role, which you can change at any time. Access Now allows you to easily browse and track your estimates, invoices, and shipments using the links in the Browse menu. Use the provided links to generate PDFs of your documents for download and printing. Easily filter your results by date, total, customer reference, and PO number to find what you are looking for even faster. When browsing your shipments, you can use the same filters to find the specific shipment details. Access Now gives you insider access to Elias Woodwork products and services that can save you considerable valuable time. You can even access your tracking information by clicking the tracking link for the desired shipment. If you get stuck, help is always just a click away. Look for the question mark. Then search through the existing topics or type in a specific query to find out more information. If you still can't find what you were looking for, click on the chat box at the top and type in your question. Our tech support is ready to help and will be available from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. Elias Woodwork is here to help and will work hard to meet your needs. Speak to a customer service specialist to set up your account today.